Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we uncover the best classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Let's jump into 15 standout vintage machines on today's list. Number 1. 1978 Harley-Davidson FLH Electra Glide. $14,000, Cannon City, Colorado. This 1978 Harley-Davidson FLH Electra Glide 75th Anniversary Edition is an all-original shovelhead touring motorcycle with just 10,520 original miles. As a second-owner example, it has been carefully preserved and remains increasingly hard to find in such authentic condition. The legendary shovelhead V-twin paired with the classic FLH touring frame delivers the unmistakable torque, sound, and road presence that define late 1970s Harley-Davidson machines. It includes the original seat along with the two-up buddy seat and comes with a clear title. The seller states it starts, runs, and rides as it should, making it a strong candidate for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a true survivor. At $14,000 in Cannon City, Colorado, this anniversary model represents a premium but highly desirable vintage Harley. Number 2. 1954 BMW R67, $15,000, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1954 BMW R67 has been fully restored and refinished in a unique paint scheme that distinguishes it from more traditional examples. The restoration reportedly addressed the engine, forks, transmission, final drive, driveshaft, wheels, wiring, and suspension, ensuring comprehensive mechanical attention. The cylinder heads have also been configured for unleaded fuel, enhancing long-term rideability. Described as a show-winning vintage motorcycle, it rides and handles well while retaining classic post-war BMW engineering character. Offered with a clean title at $15,000 or best reasonable offer in Grants Pass, Oregon, this R67 combines craftsmanship, individuality, and collector appeal. Number 3. 1972 Norton 750 Commando. $14,500, Big Fork, Montana. This 1972 Norton 750 Commando is described as a tremendous running example that typically starts on the first kick. Showing 7,194 miles, it comes with a clean title and reportedly includes documentation detailing substantial prior work and investment. The Commando's parallel twin engine and iconic British styling have cemented its place as one of the most respected classic motorcycles of its era. Although it has not been ridden in the past 2 years, it remains an appealing machine, ready for a new owner to put it back on the road. Priced at $14,500 in Big Fork, Montana, this Norton offers a compelling blend of mechanical reputation and vintage British charisma. Number 4. 1974 Triumph Bonneville Custom Hardtail, $4,000, Arvada, Colorado. This 1974 Triumph Bonneville Custom Hardtail features a rebuilt 750cc engine with documentation included. While the odometer is not functional and has rolled over, the bike has been garaged for the past 5 years, helping maintain its overall condition. The hardtail configuration gives it a bold custom stance while retaining the recognizable Bonneville twin-cylinder foundation. With a clean title and a price of $4,000 in Arvada, Colorado, this Bonneville presents an accessible opportunity for riders who appreciate vintage British performance combined with custom styling and documented engine work. Number 5.
1978 Honda Goldwing with sidecar, $3,500, Guntersville, Alabama. This 1978 Honda Goldwing Series 1.1 is an all-original naked model fitted with a sidecar, offering a distinctive vintage touring experience. Showing 43,000 miles and carrying a clean title, it is street legal and described as having a good motor with recent clutch work completed. Early Goldwings are widely respected for their smooth, flat-4 engines and long-distance comfort. The sidecar includes a convertible top and tonneau cover, adding versatility for various riding conditions. Priced at $3,500 in Guntersville, Alabama, this Goldwing stands out as an affordable and unique classic setup, ideal for riders seeking practicality, nostalgia, and something different from the typical two-wheel vintage machine.
Number 6. 1967 BSA Thunderbolt 650, $7,800, Cottonwood, Arizona. This 1967 BSA Thunderbolt 650 has undergone a complete frame-off restoration, with every nut and bolt either painted, chromed, cleaned, or refinished before reassembly. The 650cc parallel twin engine has been fully rebuilt, and the bike has logged approximately 400 miles since completion. As a result, it presents in near-new condition while retaining its authentic British character. The restoration was performed by Frank of Arizona British Bikes in Phoenix, a well-known and respected builder in the vintage British motorcycle community. With a clean title and priced at $7,800 in Cottonwood, Arizona, this Thunderbolt represents a professionally restored classic ready to be ridden or shown with confidence. Number 7. 1982 Suzuki GS1100E, $3,300, Louisville, Kentucky. This 1982 Suzuki GS1100E comes with a clean title in the seller's name and benefits from an extensive list of recent mechanical upgrades. The leaking fuel petcock has been repaired, intake boots replaced, and the carburetors fully rebuilt with new O-rings after complete separation and servicing. It also features a GS750E oil cooler, stainless steel front brake lines, and an upgraded series regulator rectifier to improve charging reliability. Additional improvements include a 530 O-ring chain conversion, LED lighting upgrades, a model-specific rear luggage rack, repaired oil drain threads using a time-cert insert, and a replaced countershaft seal. Offered at $3,300 or best offer in Louisville, Kentucky, this GS1100E stands out as a well-maintained leader-class classic with thoughtful preventative upgrades already completed. Number 8. 1976 Benelli 750 Se, $16,500, Alachua, Florida. This 1976 Benelli 750 Se is an excellent condition example of one of the most iconic multi-cylinder motorcycles ever produced. Powered by a 750cc inline 6-cylinder engine, it delivers a unique sound and smoothness that set it apart from virtually every other bike of its era. Showing 8,652 miles and carrying a clean title, it remains a rare and highly collectible Italian sport touring machine. The seller notes that it runs perfectly and is offered at $16,500 or best offer in Alachua, Florida. With low mileage and strong presentation, this 750 Se represents a standout opportunity for collectors seeking one of the earliest production 6-cylinder motorcycles in the world. Number 9. 1974 Kawasaki H1 500, $10,995,
Daytona Beach, Florida. This 1974 Kawasaki H1500 is a street-legal two-stroke triple built by noted tuner Tony Nicosia. The 500cc engine has been ported and polished, fitted with 34mm Mikuni carburetors and performance manifolds, along with Denko expansion chambers by TNT. The seller states the motor produces over 80 horsepower, delivering the explosive power band that made the H1 legendary. With a clean title and strong performance credentials, this Daytona Beach, Florida example is priced at $10,995. For enthusiasts seeking a high-performance vintage two-stroke with documented performance modifications, this H1 offers serious collector and rider appeal. Number 10. 1975 Moto Guzzi 850T, $6,000, Bozeman, Montana. This 1975 Moto Guzzi 850T has been extensively rebuilt with the goal of creating a reliable rider while enhancing performance. It features a new wiring harness, floating front brake disc, upgraded front springs and stanchions, rebuilt final drive, and a rebuilt engine fitted with new cylinders, a lighter flywheel, and a high-capacity oil pump. The bike also benefits from custom paint and a comprehensive parts list documenting the work performed. Showing 71,172 miles and carrying a clean title, it is described as street legal and in excellent condition. Priced at $6,000 in Bozeman, Montana, this 850T blends classic Italian V-twin character with substantial mechanical updates for riders seeking both heritage and usability. Number 11. 1978 Yamaha XS650, $3,900, Martinsburg, Maryland. This 1978 Yamaha XS650 is a true survivor, showing just 8,775 original miles and carrying a clean Maryland title. Described as ready to ride and needing nothing, this example has been recently serviced with a new battery and rebuilt carburetors. The XS650 platform is widely respected for its durable parallel twin engine and timeless standard styling, making low-mile, well-preserved bikes increasingly desirable. Offered from a private collection, the seller notes it is being sold simply to make room for additional motorcycles. Priced at $3,900 in Martinsburg, Maryland, this XS650 represents a clean, lightly used classic that blends originality with proven reliability. Number 12. 1974 BMW R60/6, $3,500, Brunswick, Georgia. This 1974 BMW R60/6 is a four-owner bike with approximately 60,000 documented miles and a current Georgia title. Always garaged and maintained, it recently received a professional tune-up, carburetor adjustment, and fluid and filter changes. While it needs a battery and some regular use, it is described as shifting smoothly and running nicely. It features Metzeler tires, megaphone exhausts, a new center stand, removable hard bags, and functioning gauges and lights, though the odometer is noted as erratic. Included are the repair manual, original toolkit, tire pump, and even a windscreen still in the box. At $3,500 or best offer in Brunswick, Georgia, this R60/6 offers classic air-cooled BMW character with practical touring accessories. Number 13. 1979 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $7,500, Doral, Florida. This 1979 Honda Goldwing GL1000 shows just 4,100 original miles and retains all original parts and paint with no aftermarket components installed. After several years in storage within a collector's garage, the seller completed extensive maintenance using OEM Honda parts, including new tires, battery, rebuilt brake components, serviced suspension, rebuilt carburetors, new cables, new spark plugs, and a new OEM fuel pump. With clean title status and exceptional originality, this GL1000 reflects the early Goldwing's reputation for smooth, flat-4 performance and long-distance comfort. Priced at $7,500 in Doral, Florida, it presents a rare opportunity to own a low-mile, highly original example of Honda's flagship touring classic. Number 14. 1987 Harley-Davidson FXSTC Softail Custom, $6,900, Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina. This 1987 Harley-Davidson FXSTC Softail Custom shows 16,661 original miles and is powered by the 81 cubic inch Evolution V-twin engine. Tastefully converted to a Fat Boy style setup with solid disc wheels, it carries an aggressive yet timeless stance while maintaining its classic Evolution-era identity. The Softail platform delivers vintage styling paired with improved reliability compared to earlier generations. Described as well-kept and properly maintained, this is not a project bike, but a ready-to-ride example that performs as expected. At $6,900 in the Raleigh-Durham area of North Carolina, it offers a strong value for riders seeking an authentic late 1980s Harley with distinctive style and proven performance. Number 15. 1972 Suzuki T350, $2,500, Smyrna, Tennessee. This 1972 Suzuki T350 two-stroke is one of the final year examples of a model produced for only 4 years, making it increasingly hard to find. Finished in custom Harley-Davidson black cherry and black paint by a local rod shop, it features a new battery and remains complete and in very good overall condition. The T350 is known for its lively two-stroke twin engine and lightweight feel. The bike will start and idle but bogs under throttle, indicating the carburetors will need cleaning. It is legally registered and insured in the seller's name, carries a clean title, and remains kickstart only with the kick lever positioned on the left side. Priced at $2,500 in Smyrna, Tennessee, this T350 offers an affordable entry into vintage two-stroke ownership with solid potential. Those were 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Like and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more vintage finds and daily updates.